The Zeekr 9X approaches safety like a mission rather than a feature list. This is a performance-focused electric family car that treats every mile as a test track, blending rigorous internal crash validation with advanced driver assistance and structural engineering that reads more like a lab spec than a brochure. Zeekr says each prototype endured a 4-direction crash sequence at 105 kilometers per hour, including frontal, rear, and both sides. While those internal tests do not replace third-party ratings, they set the tone. Push beyond the usual validation to see how the body, battery, and restraint systems behave when the unexpected happens. That attitude is backed by a structure designed to move crash energy around passengers rather than through them, with manufacturer figures citing roof strength able to carry more than 11 tons and torsional rigidity around 41,600 Newton meters per degree. Numbers like these do not make a car invincible, but they give engineers more margin to tune airbags, belt load limiters, and crumple zones so the cabin stays a refuge rather than a risk. There is also a striking idea at the heart of the 9X called the side lift safety function. In a severe lateral hit, the active chassis can raise one side by about 80 millimeters in roughly 200 milliseconds, aiming to align the incoming impact with the car's sills and battery guardrails instead of the doors alone. It is a mechanical instinct, like bracing with your shoulder rather than your ribs, and it shows how software-controlled hardware can buy time and space for the restraints to work. Add in crosswind stabilization and automatic obstacle avoidance under Zeekr's Hauhan safety armor umbrella, and the car begins to feel like a co-pilot that quietly corrects for the world's chaos. Driver help is not just a buzzword here, it is a stack. The 9X is marketed as Level 3, ready in regions where regulations permit, which means the system can assume the driving task in defined conditions while still expecting the human to resume control when asked. In practice, what matters is the breadth of sensing and the quality of fallbacks. Multiple cameras, radar, and a high-performance computing platform contribute to lane-level positioning, lane change assistance, and traffic jam automation. Just as important are the fail-safe philosophies: redundant braking and steering actuation pathways, conservative disengagement logic, and clear handback prompts that are designed to be unmistakable even when the cabin is noisy or passengers are distracted. Battery safety gets equal attention. The floor-mounted pack is wrapped in layered protection that includes a rigid housing, impact diffusing subframes, and isolation monitors that watch for abnormal voltage or temperature behavior. Underbody shields are not just for aerodynamics, they are armor plates meant to deflect debris and reduce the chance of punctures in everyday life. Thermal management is tuned for both performance and resilience, with liquid circuits designed to keep cells in the comfort zone during fast charging, spirited driving, and summer traffic crawls. When the chemistry stays calm, the whole car feels calmer. Day-to-day safety is also about small decisions that stack up. The 9X pairs wide-angle exterior cameras with parking cross-traffic alerts that sweep farther down the lane than older systems. Door exit warnings look for cyclists and scooters approaching from behind so occupants do not open into harm's way. The head-up display is configured to show fewer, clearer glyphs instead of an overload of icons, because the safest interface is the one you can understand at a glance. Even the wiper logic is considerate, ramping speed progressively when the car predicts heavier spray from the vehicle ahead. A note of honesty is essential. As of today, independent programs like Euro New Car Assessment Program or China New Car Assessment Program have not published official crash ratings for the 9X. That is not a red flag by itself, because regional launches and laboratory queues often delay public scores. It does mean shoppers should read manufacturer claims as promising signs rather than final verdicts, and keep an eye out for third-party data as it arrives. Zeekr's other models have earned strong results, and the engineering trajectory suggests the 9X aims for the same bar or higher, but the fairest judgment comes when the independent stamps land. For families, that all boils down to confidence. Confidence that if a distracted driver drifts, the 9X will nudge you back. Confidence that if a truck's wake shoves you on a windy bridge, the chassis counters before you even react. Confidence that if fate deals a bad angle, the body in white takes the hit the way a well-trained linebacker does, square, braced, and prepared. If this video helped you feel more informed, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss the official ratings when they drop.